I wanted to come out here at nighttime and show you guys this UFO light that I just got. This light is really like a UFO. It is super bright, 240 watts, which equivalates to 36,000 lumens, which is super bright. So I'm gonna give you a quick little demo here. First, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it on without a dimmer light on it. You can see how bright that is. Now, I'm gonna put the dimmer light on it, or the dimmer switch, I should call it. Now I can let it go up bright, slowly, before it blinds you. Or I can tune it down. Now, the dimmer option, this here is optional. But it's very simple. It's just a little dimmer switch, and you can just get one anywhere, and you can pop it on there, and that way you will be able to control the light from full brightness to complete darkness. All right, this light here is made of aluminum, which is got a nice little weight to it, and also it's good for heat dissipation, because this thing, it gets a little warm, but not warm like the high pressure sodium lights or like the metal halide lights, because those there get really hot. This here doesn't. But another good thing about it is the ease of hanging it. This hook right here, it has a locking screw that you can easily just screw out, and once you get it hooked on there, and then you can just go ahead and tighten the screw down so that if it sways, it won't come off. It also comes with a 6-foot cord, which is nice, and this is a 3-prong cord, so make sure that you got 3 prongs for wherever you are trying to plug it at, because this one is grounded. This also is IP65 waterproof rated, which is a pretty good waterproof rating, and it's ideal for damp locations. I really would recommend this light because literally I hung it in my workshop in about 5 minutes. The hardest part was getting out the ladder to get up there to mount it. Another good thing about this light is that it is very durable. You can tell the quality of it. Like, everything around here is just solidly made. It's not nothing cheap, feeling like it's not adequate. Everything here feels solid, and it feels structurally sound. Now, I'm gonna do an install video, and we're gonna go inside, and I'm gonna still need these glasses here. I'm gonna need them really bad. You'll see. Highly recommend this for any shop, barn. This one here is a 240 watts. So to give you a scale of what you can do with that, you can mount this up to 20 feet high, and it will have maximum coverage. So you can use 2 of these, and that would cover a 20 by 20 area. So that's just the lumens of what 36,000 lumens can do for you. That's what the lumens can do for you. Thanks for watching the video. And if you want to pick yourself up one of these, I would highly recommend it.